Hello everybody! So, what I wanted to show you guys was what to do if you lose an order you're creating when you're closing out a party. Okay? So when you're closing out the party, you hit create the order. And once you're at that point, you need to submit the Hostess Rewards, and sometimes we lose that order before we finish. So I'm going to show you where to find it, okay? So what you're going to do is come over here and click Orders. And then you're going to go scroll down, and then you have a party order right here. And this is the order that you've lost, okay? So I'm going to hit continue. And then all of this has already been filled out when I was closing out the party. So I'm just going to hit save and continue. And then here we have the Hostess Rewards that we get to fill out for the party that we lost, okay? So don't fret if you lose your order, if your internet goes down or anything happens. You can find that party again. So now that we have that party, you want to make sure that you actually get the Hostess half price items and the free items, okay? So I want to just point out this drop box here, and we have the Hostess half price, we have Hostess credits, anything the Hostess wants to purchase at regular price, and you will get personal volume for that as well, okay? So just make sure when you're adding items to an order that you first do your half price items, then you go over to Hostess credits and fill that out as well. All right, and then if they want to add anything else, you can do Hostess retail. Okay? So now I'm going to add the Hostess half price items. And for this party, I have 3 of them. So I'm going to add the item numbers. Oh, doesn't need a period there, huh? All right, see how once I added the item number, it automatically got added right here, okay? So then I'm going to pick up another one, 396, and I've added Sunset Canyon. Then I need one more. So let's go with, see if Interstellar is here. And there we go. I have the 3 half price items. So now you want to go ahead and hit Hostess credits. And then we're going to fill out this section. $146. Alright, Vegas Vixen I added. Now I've added a few more items for the Hostess credits, and I'm not sure how much money I have left. So I'm going to scroll all the way down. And then you can see Hostess credit earned and then remaining. So I have $69 earned and $30 remaining. Okay? So I'm going to continue adding my orders in. Let's do a little of this one. 436. All right. And then, Alright, I added 2 more items. I can do the math in my head, or I can see I have $4 remaining. Okay? Now it's up to you if you want to use that $4 and then have the rest of it, pay the rest of it and get the $4 worth free. Or you can cut your losses and not use that $4. One tip, though, is that if the person utilizes that $4, anything after that $4 is considered personal volume for your sales again, okay? So I usually add another item. Oh, I wasn't typing in the box. All right, FBS 438. Do a little touchdown here. Alright, so now I'm going to scroll all the way down and we'll see how much I owe. So the Hostess credit overage is $9. All right, it went $9 over the 4. Okay? And then if you look here, that $9 went into your personal volume. Okay? And then the Hostess owes, the product total is $28.50. There's the tax. The shipping is free because the party was over $300. So then the order total with just the product total and the tax is $30.35. And then I've earned a personal volume of $9. All right. Now don't forget you're going to have to enter, you're going to have to hit payments, enter your payment information, and then the order is complete. So I hope that this video was helpful. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. I'm here to help. And if there's any opportunities you see with the back office that you'd like to see a video on, just let me know and I create it for you. I wish you all of the best of success with your Color Street businesses. Have a good one.